my car. Author Phidi Pulu. Illustrator Phidi Pulu. Hi, I am Khaidi. I am 7 years old. I have a car, a lovely long car. Papa made it for my birthday. I love my car and love to drive it all day long. Drooomm, here I go, Drooomm, there I go. Drooomm, I go everywhere. I visit my relatives driving my car, and in school, my friends want my car. I love my grandma and she loves to see me drive. With my car I can go round and round my home. With my car I can go around the earth. I can go around the sun, the moon and the stars. My little brother loves riding on my car. Mummy tells us not to do so, but do we care? Now, here I am without my car and my brother without his tooth. But still we go Drooomm with my brother on my back.